My wife is out of town and my 3 kids are out for dinner with my parents. I have the entire house to myself, so I'm cooking octopus. Or is it squid? I think it's squid. It's squid. Whatever, it's octopus or squid. I'm cooking it. So there is an ABC about cooking, and it's always be cleaning, and I have not been doing that, so ignore the mess in the kitchen. First, you need to boil the octopus. You need to boil it for like 2 to 5 minutes, and then you fry it. So we're gonna get the water boiling, then we're gonna fry it, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, because I'm a culinary artist. What are you looking at? That's a little baby. There we go. Okay. Hot, boil water, put in, then fry on a skillet. And although I do look like a culinary hack, this is actually very easy and extremely delicious, and it's extremely healthy. This octopus squid is high in protein, low in cholesterol. It's got a bunch of good stuff, and it's so easy to cook. I am starting with frozen squid or octopus, whatever. I better get clear on what it is. Hold on a second. Okay, it is squid tentacle. It was $20 for 1 kilogram, which is pretty darn good. So at least we know what we're cooking. Squid tentacle. Now I'm starting with frozen squid tentacle because I have been told that freezing this stuff kills any parasites that might be living in it. And it just makes me feel a little better to eat something that I know has been frozen for that reason. Because I'm neurotic about parasites. Put a little salt in the water. Get the skillet hot and oiled up so that it is nice and hot and ready to sizzle by the time you want to cook the octopus. Oil up the skillet. All right, and put a little salt and pepper, or pepper and salt in the oil. Let this get hot while the water boils. Don't let it get too hot, and don't forget about it or you'll set the house on fire. I nearly did that before, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, and just to make sure the octopus has enough flavor, we're gonna use a steak spice called Campfire Medley, the frying pig. Just to get a little extra spice in there. What are you two doing? Oh, you okay? Two to 5 minutes, then we're gonna slice it up and then cook it. What do you say? All right, now we're gonna start heating this up again while we slice the octopus. Here is the octopus. Which way do I cut? I cut like this. And just gonna slice it into thin slices, which we are then going to fry in oil. You can see that my knife handling skills are of a true professional nature. Here we go. So hot, so hot. Incidentally, I'm told you have to boil it. I don't know why, in order to soften it up before you cook it. And then you fry it up and it really tenderizes the rubbery, bouncy, chewy squid. Squid is a pure texture food. Texture and flavor, but mostly texture. Let's do this. Come on. We're a pro here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. All right, and because I'm a relatively simple person, and I mean that literally, this is just a bed of cucumber, and I'm going to put the octopus on top of it like so. A little more cracked salt and pepper. A little rice vinegar splash, might have been too much, and a little bit of avocado oil. I don't know if this is good. Okay, there we go. And fork. And that is delicious. No, that is delicious. So delicious, one of the dogs wants some. 1 second and let me eat in peace, will you? Delicious, crunchy, bouncy, salty, peppery, salty. I said that already. Like a splash of ocean in your mouth with grilled steak, firmer than fish. Just a pure texture, delicious food. I'm not giving any to the dogs. Now you know. That's what it looks like. It's delicious. I've done it. Peace.